Welcome to Best RV's channel. This is Nala Mari from Best RV in Trolla, California. Today, what I'm presenting you all the new brand new 2026 models coming to Best RV. So we started with the brand new 2026 Forest River Arctic Wolf 29 OBT. Now, what is the 29 OBT? It's a new floor plan, and everybody asks, what's this? Well, everybody make a bunk fifth wheels. 29 feet, 28 feet bunk fifth wheel, where you have a bedroom in the front, bunk room in the back, bathroom next to the bed in the front, and a kitchen and living area in the center. But we've seen a lot of customers coming to us and they say, yeah, fine, there's bunk, but I don't need bunks. I need two separate queen bed. And then the factory Forest River saw there's a demand for that. So now they make up this floor plan. It's a 29 feet fifth wheels, two bedroom. And what I mean by two bedroom, not a bed, fixed bed in the front and a bunk room in the back. We're talking about two queen bed, one in the front, one in the back. And that's what's the 29 OBT. Now, what is behind me is all the 2026 new changes for Cherokee Arctic Wolf. So Arctic Wolf, they changed the front, as you see. They're making it cleaner. They're making it very more white, so you don't have an issue with some color fading, and that's what they did. So let's start with the first. This is nice cap on the front with LED light, power awning with LED light. Look how big the awning. And then I like they use the white hardware on the awning so they don't fade. Two propane tank, one on each side, 5 gallon, one on this side, one on the other side. Now this has the juice pack. Everybody asks me, I seen a lot of juice pack. What do you mean by juice pack? Juice pack is mean 200 watt solar panel on the roof and 30 amp controllers, and it has the big refrigerator, the 11 cubic foot 12 volt reefer. You can see I love the nice rubber diamond plate. There's a hookup for TV, so in case if you want to put a TV here, it's right there, the hookup. And then over here you could put the TV outside and get the wires through it if you want. Have a bracket on the wall. I love this about they give you outdoor kitchen. So you see here nice grill, and then you have the fridge. I call it the beer fridge. Coming over here, you have endless hot water heater. That's a big deal, and we talk about it. Continuous hot water heater. In the back is very clean. You have a backup camera prep, and then you have the 3000 towing rating class 2 receivers in the back. Again, you could pull on this size because it's a 29. It's a lot of people, they buy it and they do triple, where they pull a truck, a fifth wheel, and a boat behind it. But you don't have to do that. At least you could put a bike rack and put your 4 bikes, or you could put the electric motorcycle in the back on a small tray. And then this is the power cord, 110 plug. You could see everything set high. The jack is part of the auto leveling. So this unit, 2 AC, power awning, 200 watt solar, and auto leveling system. And then this is the slide where the sofa, the dinette. And over here we have a bigger door. So you have a full docking stations where you have the Sandy Flush, city water connection, hot and cold hot water here. And there's a sticker here showing you there's auto leveling. And the auto leveling is right there, and the instruction right there. So you could do everything from here, and then as you see, it's pass-through storage. This is the second propane tank. We talk about it. Over here we have the 30 amp solar controller, the battery disconnect. That's the place of your batteries, as well the spare tires right there. Inside the brand new 2026 Forest River Arctic Wolf 29 OBT. As you see, it's a 29-foot fifth wheels. What I really like, they have the huge U-shaped dinette. And now why Arctic Wolf, what they do offer you, where's the competitor? Look how big those 2 doors. So you don't have issue about storage in this unit at all. So a big U-shaped dinette and 2 doors for storage. You could put all kind of stuff inside. And again, 2 legs, so it's very solid. Big windows with a nice hard balances, and then you have here's nice hide-a-bed sofa. When you sit on this nice hide-a-bed sofa, you're facing the TV, so everybody sitting here, they could watch the TV. Then you have a nice fireplace, and you see this is the remote control for the fireplace. Now there's a latch here. You open it, and a beautiful pantry or whatever. You could put here brooms, Dyson vacuums, shelves. You could put cereals, sugars, salt, flour, you name it. And I like about it, it has the lip, so things does not fly. And also, if you need a plug 110, like if you want to put a toaster or that kind of stuff, there's 110 plug right there. So I love this. What the manufacturers start going with the hidden pantry. So this is the hidden pantry, and they don't waste the space. And then even that space over here, they give it to you. Even the space over the refrigerators, they give it to you. So you could see a lot of room for this. Typical Arctic Wolf, they give you the 11 cubic foot refrigerator. This is the 12 volt. Perfect, everybody happy with it, no complaints. And then you have the nice Korean microwave, 3 burner range, residential look with the oven. And then here you have a place for cooking pans. The doors, you can see there's the owner manuals. They're deep, tinsel doors, and again, more storage. There's a place for trash can, country sink, as you see, cup rinse, food, vegetables, and then you have this one to put, the wash dishes and also cutting board. Now here's what I like about it. This is solid surface countertop, not composite. That's a big deal. I like this one. You could put spice rack here, spices or whatever you like. So it's very roomy. It's very open. And actually this unit sleep up to 8 people. Why? Because I could sleep 1 big adult here or 2 kids. I could sleep 2 adults here or 1, it's depending on their size. I could sleep 2 bed because this height a bit. 2 in the front on the queen, and then this is what I'm going to show you next. When you walk in on this Arctic Wolf, I like about it, more shelves, the cabinet close to the ceiling, give you more room. I know some people, they say, but you could reach the doors. I mean, if you can't reach this big shelf, you could reach this easy. Especially like me, small people, 5.2, 5.5 is easy to access. This is a beautiful coat hangers. You could put coats here. Central vac, people, they laugh at me when I say, yeah, it has central vac. Even it has the lift up here for the sweep. You could sweep your dirty stuff and get it inside. Central vac when you're camping. Even it's linoleum, it's helped a lot. Going here, you have a solid step with light at night. This sensor, big handles. And then you go to the nice queen bed. This is a true queen bed, 60 by 80. You have a second AC here. You have the nice dimmer light. Show them where the TV. You can put a 32-inch TV right there in the bedroom. All these cabin. I love this fancy, modern, contemporary light. Oh, and by the way, folks, I realized the move. So you could control it up, down, and then there's a knob here. There's also shelf there. Why they give the shelf? Because people, they say, where I'm gonna put my phone when I get sleepy, I'm done my Facebook and look at Best RV Instagram. So you can put your phone right there. Some customers, they say, I have a breathing machine, I snore at night and have to have breathing machine. Yeah, you could put it here, and there's 110 plug and 12 volt plug. Big storage. Now this is a neat things they do right now, and this is a bench storage. The beauty about this one, look, I'm sitting here, so I can lift up my bed, do my shoes. There's the storage bins come. Matter of fact, they're here. We just keep it inside. Those are storage bins. They go on this. They come with it. So you put your socks, underwear, shirts, so on. So you lift up your bed, sit on it, do your shoes, make more room to walk and get your closet, get your clothes dressed up. This is a really nice touch Arctic Wolf they did. Before was just a fixed bed, lift it up and just throw your blanket and sheets, but now they utilize it where they give you a bins. Here you put your socks, underwear. You could utilize this as storage, and also the beauty, you could utilize it to dress up. So I could take my clothes off, sit, tie things, and then go camping or go do my business. Now in the closet of the cameraman coming in, I like what they did. The extra shelf here. And again, this is a 50 amp service. Why? Because it has two AC. This is a power cord. A lot of doors. A lot of doors. Plus, they don't waste that space. They give it to you so you can put your shoes, whatever you want, and hang more clothes. And for the size of it, 29 feet, it's a lot of storage and a lot of room. Very bright, so you could hang clothes here, as well you could hang clothes over there. You could add a second TV here, even to give you a place where to put it. It's loaded. The reason why we don't put the TV in the bedroom, because they charge us way too much, and we say the customer has it. Shades on both sides and windows open. That's a big deal. Going over here, so you have, look this touch. I love this. This is a nice touch. Woo! Fancy big mirrors with LED light, place for hair dryers, stuff, rinsing your feet, hands, and porcelain toilet. This is not plastic. Barn door, more room. I like this touch. They don't waste it. They give you stuff you could utilize. That's a nice place there. And then nice shower door. And then there's a safety latch. Every time I have to remember to take the safety latch, and voila, no water's going outside. Very high, easy to get in. Some people, they say I don't want to step in and top. That's the one, because I have a knee problem. No problem. This one, look how shallow. Let me put the latch back. Okay, now here's the magic. Everybody's waiting on this video to see what is behind this door, and that's what I'm gonna show you behind the door. But we passed this. I want to show you things. This is the dimmer light for the living area. Voltage meter, tell you how much voltage you're getting. All the switches, tank heaters, water pump switch, and the hot water heater and air conditioning. And the air conditioning, this one is one controller, control both. Now, this is what I love in this. This is what we was waiting for. Guys, I'm waiting for this. Show me on a 29 feet, I have a 2 queen bed, so I could sleep 2 big adults here. They have their own closets. There's over there, if the cameraman could reach it, there I could put a big 40-inch TV in the living area, and then there's a stud in the middle where you put your bracket. But this is what I was waiting: 2 queen bed on a 29 feet. Because before they make this one, you have to buy 36 feet to give that option. But now you have a 2 bed, 2 queen, and look over here. Cameraman, show them what they're gonna gain. Big, huge. Look, all the storage. Whole bed is a storage underneath. While we're here, we could show them there's a closet for the second bedroom and doors and tinsel. So this is a 29 OBT now with 2 queen. Now the same unit, 29 OBT, they make it 2 ways, and we have it in stock. I have one with the queen bed solid. I have the same unit is with the 4 bunk in the back, and we'll show you that in the second video. But this is the unit. This is 29 feet. You could sleep up to 8 people, and 2 bedroom, 2 privacy. And we have a price. We shop, and we give you price. No one in the state of California could reach it. Look, shop, do the doubt. Plus, we don't charge you fees. Come in and see this new floor plan.